What's up? It's your girl Trimmy, and I'm back with you with another reaction video real quick. Today I'm going to be reacting to Reginae. She just posted the last day in CABO. So we finna see what happened the last day in CABO. Before I get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell if you like to get notified for more videos from your girl. So let's get to it. Yeah, let's get to it.
It was a little long, but
I just woke up. What's up? We're going ATV riding.
I went to sleep for a little minute.
Me too. Dang.
More fun. Otherwise, some of you is wearing shorts and the horse gonna get them.
Yeah, I don't want to do no. I don't want to mess up. I'm wearing shorts. I'm the only one on me and me.
Guys, for now, if you guys want to put your name up here on each of you.
Now my hair is a mess. Okay?
And then the
Say hey, Nene.
with the, with our secretary.
Y'all always say. Like me and Nick about to ride together because our mom want to drive. You know, he want to be a road racer. Now my voice coming back. They said my voice wasn't gonna be here. It's a little here.
So y'all, we're finna go. Oh, what's up, y'all? But we're finna go get on these.
So you're gonna do a side by side?
Sorry, y'all. But y'all, we finna go get on the four-wheelers right now. It's finna get lit. It's finna get turned up. Every girl looking pretty.
I'm getting on the UV with me. Yeah, because you didn't want to get on one.
Babe, what?
Not the dog. Not the dogs. Just the dogs is just out here, y'all. I don't do the dogs.
I got a cocktail now.
We are ready to ride TV. Oh, nigga, we got the same color.
Babe.
Boy.
We think this 5 for mine.
It's fine.
I just started doing it out of it first. That's the problem. Everybody
What is going on? I got some good drink. Dang.
Yeah, babe.
Ready.
It's that time. Hey, look, I'm gonna tell y'all something. I put the big rocks on me so that when I drive, I stay in the spirit. Baby, how you feeling, baby?
Commercial. I can't believe they serving drinks and they know they're finna like. These people have to drive. These people have to be focused. Y'all giving them drinks? Really?
Feeling real good. Feeling ready. You know, I'm about to.
I like that brown that matches your melanin. I really do like it. You look good.
Thank you, baby.
You know my baby got his tape designer. That's Gucci underneath. That's a Mexicano born and raised dog right there. Understand that. Get that through your thick ass car.
To give you a very nice tour. How am I gonna achieve that? By you behave. Okay, we're gonna be driving 4 vehicles. These 3 side by side, a 4-wheeler or the gentleman right over there, and I am gonna be on the lead. Okay, very important. All the vehicles we must drive in one single line and one single line only. Okay, do not go sideways. Don't go to the left. Don't go to the right because you don't know what's out there. Okay, there's huge rocks. There's a lot of things. Okay, animals. And if you go sideways, you don't know the route, there's a high chance you can hit some of those things and have a very nasty accident. Okay, please. I don't want broken bones today. Okay, I want to come back everyone covered in dust and mud. I heard some of your ladies don't want to get mud, but now listen up. The truck is kind of muddy because it's been raining, so you might get a little bit mud. Is that okay? I heard some of you don't want to get mud, but you might get a little bit mud because it's raining. Okay. So one single line distance, very important. That's too close. Okay, the distance you gotta take a driver from each driver is almost 3 cars of distance because it's gonna get very dusty out there. Okay.
So, I have a question. Not to cut you off, brother. But we like to have fun. Being that we can't just have fun, are you going to have fun, or are you just going to be like?
Oh no, I'm gonna have fun.
Okay, for
but
sure,
like,
bro.
But like, obviously, there's safety rules. You know what I'm saying? Drifting, donuts, sharp turns, or wheelies. That's things that might put you physically and injury.
Right.
If you do such
we
thing,
ain't doing all that. We just want to go fast.
we're gonna go fast.
All right, cool.
Hear that?
No.
Might put you in
Sir.
Armand don't want to ride with me.
No, baby, that's not true. That's not true. No, bro, I'm getting that right there.
He want to do the faster one. What's the faster one? UTV or ATV?
Which one do you think? Which one?
Bigger.
Look at you. Fine.
Bro, I'm about to go get in my car.
Yeah.
Come on, babe.
I gotta hop in me a UTV. I thought that the 4-wheelers was gonna be fast as well, but he said they're gonna be able to just skirt over. So gotta jump in something. You know, my baby gonna be with a friend. If on the other half, you can hop in the car with me. It ain't nothing, baby. But you scary too. I can't hear.
Let me go get my friend.
I can't hear that, babe.
How long is this gonna be? Wait, why my thing so? Yo, why my thing so light? Babe, help me. Why my thing so light?
Y'all want to get in this one?
No, Neek, I'm getting in with you.
Driving with you.
Say hi, Hey. Oh, look at the horses. Lotto, say what's up.
Y'all got 99 problems in this nigga and one in me.
Say what's up. Say hey. We lit. Okay, I'm proud of this thing. Babe.
You know how we get it. They do it.
I'm gonna
Come on, let's go.
You know it.
Okay, cool.
Okay, cool.
My girl.
Here we go. Alright.
Can you put it on the edge, please? The car's good to go, okay?
Okay. You can find it.
You got the music and stop playing. Stop playing,
Please
baby.
don't play with us. We lit up in this bitch.
Yeah, we got the music in there.
She banging on me on the back. I smack her, she let her get spanked.
Grab you when you fucking a man is made.
Really space looks like that shit. I swear if I said it a minute, I'm handling really say rapping this shit. Every bitch sleeping like 3 days. Bitches know I'm laying on 3 days. Ain't no other nigga can't replay. Keep down what he plays. Get up out of here, man.
That wind is crazy. I'm keep watching the time because I'm trying to finish this before I got to go get my kids from school.
Boy, stop! No, boy, stop! I sound like somebody's mama. What's up, Mama Day?
I'm gon' hold it down and keep it beat till the morning. No need to debate it, I know it's how you want it. I'm on what you want, if you like it, I love it. Applying pressure, it ain't all that enough. Let me know know it's real. Tell me how you feel when I do that one thing. Say I give you a chance. You gotta hit my line. Know I'm pulling up to see it. I done made you mine. I show you off. It ain't no secret.
This shit is fun. It's real life animals all in front of us, bro.
Hey, good driver.
Thank you. I'm really pushing that shit. I'm really pushing that shit, man.
Say you gotta pay for
I'm
this.
trying to tell you.
Say you
I'm
gotta pay
pushing
for
that
this.
motherfucker like
No free nuts, so the nigga better get his cheese.
A lot of cars, a lot of does, but everybody's doing a good job. Okay. Now listen.
Bro, y'all.
Right now, where we're hitting, it's a very uneven track because it has been raining. If you play with the car, there's a high chance you can roll up. Just keep going straight because it's very uneven. There's a lot of cars that got, a lot of like local people that come with their cars. They got the rain. We didn't have rain for almost 2 years. We had these this year, and we got very lucky. Now I am going to take you to a waterfall. So I hope some of you participate. It's not like a huge waterfall. There's a place where we're just like drop water, very sweet
Where we
water,
at?
spray on the area. Total. Out of the 30 families, let's say.
Yeah, it is. I'm sorry. I should have got that. Y'all are the most kissing couple I fucking know.
Okay, they give the water from the wells and they give the electricity.
Y'all filthy.
Because there's no like this is the community of Negrini.
I need a video.
And you all Real Baja, baby, with Joey. That's what's
What? They got what? Why they riding?
Tony, he CABO burglary. I love the bitches who say they ain't.
He called that a lot of fun.
Look at him, like. Come on. Go, we need her. Careful.
Be careful, okay? Be careful.
Look at this thing.
Oh, my socks, bro. These aren't regular. These are Balenciaga Draga Bombers.
And these are Balenciaga run-on. I hate that runners, but whatever they are called.
Jay Hood.
I don't know, Nick. They crazy. Yeah, Nancy. Nah, he didn't make the man fall, Lord.
He's doing like a stoked here.
Okay, Nick up there. I'm scared, y'all.
I immediately
He told me I'm a good
I'll let
driver.
you
Which one? Who better, me or him?
These, man.
Who better?
You are better.
Ooh! Ooh!
She's a faster driver, baby.
Yeah. I'm trying to tell you I'm better. Like, yeah, this is so beautiful. It's me. I keep slapping Zanique with branches.
No.
I'm sorry, Nick.
No nothing. I'm the only one like I ain't getting hit.
Where is that?
Y'all looking.
They look tired.
Oh, everybody in their car.
My wife's telling me to walk.
Say bye. Who you look?
That is crazy.
Armand just flipped his whole car, y'all. And I knew it. What did I tell him? What did I tell him? I knew he was going to flip this car, bro. He was driving too reckless and crazy. He just flipped the whole car, y'all. I know that man like, oh no. This motherfucker crazy. Is it still working? Now we gotta wait to get a new one.
Really?
Or at least. Y'all, what the hell? So now we gotta wait for another car?
Let's get in there with, what's the name?
Why he the only he got that big old thing?
Child.
Why he got that big old thing?
We are still waiting because they're saying that Armand cannot ride this because it's for safety reasons, I guess. I don't know. Look how they look at me. It's him in the back for me. Bro. It's not in the back. Oh, my poor baby. Yeah.
You done had his little fun. He messed up. Flipped that car over.
Now we at McDonald's though.
Ugh. I don't see how people.
Bro, this damn camera is so sandy.
I do not see how people eat McDonald's. I don't care what state you in, what country you in. McDonald's is disgusting. Disgusting. And that junk stay in your body a long time.
Yeah,
I see it on your hand.
It's the fact the ice cream machine don't work in CABO neither. I would say this, McDonald's. I look crazy. But I would say y'all gotta do better. The franchise gotta get better. Just all over around, you just gotta do better.
OMG. It was a good little video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell if you'd like to get notified for more videos from your girl. Okay, I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of December of this year. So subscribe. I hope y'all like these videos I've been dropping. If you do, leave a comment down below and let us girl know. Okay, don't forget to love yourself, love your family, and love the one above. Be blessed.